downtown LA, about to go to the El Gato Night Market. It's a huge Mexican street food market. I've been trying to come here for quite some time now. Googled it, it was literally like 5 minutes from my house. So we're about to go over here and see what kind of food they got. It's a Sunday. It already looks packed out here. For the social media and all that. El Gato Night Market. I'm excited. I've been wanting to come here for quite some time. I came here with one of my friends. He already ran off. Probably eating good already. Man. This pasta with Mr. Cat. Oh man. Food everywhere. They got up over there. Angel's Red Tacos. That's what I'm talking about. Birria tacos. Ooh, your boy excited. Man, they got some shrimp birria tacos. I'm about to get that. I gotta find my boy. I don't know where he went. Bet his greedy tail sitting down somewhere eating already. Go on, brother. They got going on over here. They not playing around at El Gato, baby. Now, this is my first time here, and I can tell you right now, this is the best night market I done been to in LA so far. Oh man, that's strawberry cake. Yep. Oh, I thought you already be eating somewhere. Oh, they snapping in here.
It's a pecan cookies. Yeah. How much? 7. Yeah.
So that's what we doing? We starting off with sweet first? That's what we doing?
No, you can't get the cookies nowhere.
Can't get them cookies nowhere? Oh man. I'm hyped right now. I am hyped. Food everywhere. It's almost like it's too many vendors. You don't know where to eat. They got that fire in there. Some jewelry. Got over here a Casca, a Fruta. Got the cookies. Okay. Man, I don't know what to get. I tell you what though, I have been missing out. Excuse me. I don't know how I didn't find out about this place way sooner than this. They snapping up in here. They got over there. Man, foot long taco. Oh man, look at that sandwich right there.
Hey, that's heat. That's heat right
there. Heat. Ooh, it looked like heat. That looked good too, bro.
I came from the high desert just to get it.
Really?
Yeah.
Just to get that right there?
Just to get that.
Oh, snap. Now, what come on it?
Chorizo with potato, or you can get the asada one.
Mm-hmm.
They got the special sauce, that red sauce that's right there. They put it all on the bread right there.
Uh-huh.
Really, really good.
Okay, okay.
Lettuce, cheese, cream.
Man, those right there look good too.
Oh, yeah, them enchiladas.
Enchiladas?
Sopes.
Sopes?
Fire too. It's basically like a tortilla, like a hard tortilla, but then they put beans, meat, vegetables on top.
I want me an enchilada.
Yeah, they're fire too.
Okay, let me make my round. I'm gonna come back at the enchilada. I know I want the enchilada. Let me make my round first.
Oh yeah.
I'm hyped right now.
I went around like 5 times.
Yeah? This is my first time coming here.
Wait, me too.
Yeah, I'm hyped.
Yeah, my girl makes them all the time, so I was just looking them up.
They got going on here. It's like some kind of like a monster sandwich right there. That thing is huge. How you doing, Mom? Why y'all ain't tell me about the market? Y'all been holding out on me. Ain't nobody tell me. Oh man, this is. I tell you what. If you ever in LA and you want to eat, this is a must stop. It's open 5:30 to 11:30 p.m. Thursday through Sunday. And this is a Sunday right now. I didn't think it was going to be this packed for a Sunday. And as y'all can see, it's pretty packed out here. Okay, they got some delicious fried chicken. We got over here the wings. Y'all been holding out on me. Why y'all didn't tell me about this spot?
Yeah, we got bonus.
You want to go tell me about El Gato? Y'all want to go tell me?
This is the spot.
This the spot?
Spot.
What you got?
Candy
Where you get that from?
on the other aisle. Rest.
But this the spot.
This is what I came for.
Oh, you came for this right here.
Right here.
Okay, okay. Let me do my round. We back. I know.
Take your round. Take your round.
Take my round. I want what you got.
It's candy.
Candy. I want some of that, and that's over there.
Next aisle, right across.
Appreciate you,
I'll
Mama.
see you.
Thank you. Man. Okay. Clothes vendors too. We got over here. It's going down. Going down. We got over here. Okay, this is all the sweets and stuff. A whole snake on his neck. Oh no, he got a whole snake. Okay, what's going on over here? Wow. Okay. Organic. Okay, this is organic ice cream right here. I want one of these too. We got going over here. What's this one? Big belly fried burger and chicken. Yeah, because that's exactly what you're gonna get. A big belly. Okay, hold on. Hey. Man, I'm hungry. I don't know what to eat right now. Too many options, and everything look good. Okay, I got my agua frescas. Ooh-wee. What's going on, brother? Why y'all didn't tell me about this spot? Some bread. What is that?
Saludos para el agua fresca, pase de sandía y de papaya y de melón.
That's pretty good. How much is that bread?
$5.
Let me get one. What's that, like a coconut? Is that coconut? Yeah, it's a coconut. I want to eat all that bread, but I just want support. Brother gave me a free sample, so I want support.
Thank you.
My man, appreciate you, brother. What they got going on there? Nachos. Man, I need to find out where that girl bought that fruit from. Ooh, that look good. Honduran. Okay. Waffles, Oreo. Alright, so I done made my round. Now it's time to eat. See what I want to grab. I'll tell you right now. You are in LA and you've never been here, you are doing yourself a disservice. Because this place is lit. Man. I see my boy back over here. Yeah, he's still here. You got right there. Okay. Like they got the barbecue going on. I think I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna grab me some of these enchiladas. What you get? Or sopes? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with these enchiladas.
You gotta get 3 of them at one time. It doesn't come in one.
Hey brother, what come with the enchiladas? What come with the enchiladas?
Cheese or chicken? You want cheese or chicken or lettuce, sour cream and cheese?
Let me try the no sour cream, but let me get the one with the cheese.
You want cheese?
No sour cream. Yeah, no sour cream.
You want chicken or cheese?
Just cheese, please. They feel like they got it. It gotta be good because they got a whole lot of people over there. But that sandwich, I'm telling you, that sandwich was good. I'll tell you right now, this the best night market in LA. Argue with your mama. This is it. They going crazy in here. Look at that boy put that finished touch on it. Put the finished touch on it. And yours right there.
I didn't want 3 though, I only wanted 1.
Well, you got 3 now. But you got the big sandwiches over there. Man. Eating good. What you got going on over here? You got some kind of ice cream going on over here. Okay. Mango. That look good. Which one?
Those ones right here, the line of that.
Agua Fresca is probably like $6. Before I got my bread, my enchiladas. I want that strawberry cake too, and then the Agua Fresca. Then I'll be satisfied.
I'll be right back.